Ed from Bel Air has a question about a dripping vent.
It's dripping from his AC vents. That's where his problem is. Ed writes, it's not a clogged condensation line, or it looks more like condensation is from the outside of the ducts between the insulation and it's dripping through. Is it an easy fix? If so, how do I do it? If not, who do I call? What say you?
First off, it's an easy fix. It's not a major problem. Your vents are getting very cold. By the way, the vents are called registers, in case anybody ever brings that up to you. And it's just getting cold, and it's like a can outside of cold Coke or soda or whatever. It's going to drip. So what you want to do is have the registers removed. There's a box behind the sheetrock, and if there's a little gap around that, and today, new energy codes, the inspectors actually look to make sure that gap has been sealed with either caulking or tape or some kind of sealant.
When you say sealed, it means just that it's closed off, that
you don't have
no
any
air.
Little attic air just kind of sneaking in that little gap.
All right.
Because that air is so humid, and what will happen is it'll make those registers drip quite a bit.
Okay.
So the first thing you do is remove the registers, make sure that gap is closed, replace the registers. If you have an attic and the insulation is not piled up around those boxes, go ahead and do that too. Have someone come up in the attic and do that. And if you have one or two really bad ones that are just because they're getting so cold and your air conditioner is working really well and we have a very humid time of year, you can actually replace those with PVC registers and get rid of the metal ones.
Fair enough. All right, so tighten up the insulation on the ducts
First
themselves.
off, check the gap.
Oh, the gap first?
Check the gap. If there's a gap there, that's what's doing it. Inside that box, you'll feel this insulation. If they're really old, sometimes the insulation falls apart.
Okay.
So you might want to replace that little what I call transition box, or you can go ahead and insulate around the outside, have some go in the attic if you have access to the attic, and make sure it's insulated really well around those boxes.
The insulation should be tight up against the
just
ducts
push
as
all
well.
that stuff.
Okay.
Not the ducts, but that box.
That box in
It's a
particular.
metal
Okay.
box.
All right. Cool enough. Fair enough.
Cool enough.
Yeah, well, he will be soon.
Oh, he's definitely cool. That's why it's dripping.
There it is. So you got a question? How about you? We'll help you out just like that. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. There's an Ask Tom button, right? Smack dab in the middle of the homepage. Click that, fill it out, send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.